So here's a quick video showing how to use the graphical timesheet in Standard Time. You'll notice 7 tabs along the top here. I have the timesheet tab selected, then click this little gray triangle over to the left, choose graphical timesheet. You'll also notice that there is an expense sheet for entering materials and expenses, and there are some other options here for the regular timesheet. So let's go ahead and choose graphical timesheet. And there are already some entries in here. You can double click on them to enter notes and other choices. But if you want to enter a new selection, you simply drag, drop, and enter your notes here. Click Save and Close. In this case, it wants me to choose a project for the job that I'm doing, and probably is going to want me to choose a task. So once I've done that, click Save and Close. I now have that entry. I can drag and drop to change the times or duration, or again, double click on it to put in more notes or choose other options. So that's pretty much how it works. You can switch back and forth between the graphical timesheet and the normal calendar timesheet to see your time log entries. Hope it helps.